Welcome to my channel where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. You remember Ms Amaka Sonnberger, the Canadian Nigerian lady who allegedly threatened to poison Yoruba and Benin people in Canada because of alleged anti-Igbo sentiments, for which she was reported by the Nigerian government to the Canadian authorities. You know, her arrest was celebrated by the government of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who were quick to report her to the Canadian authorities, even when they failed and have continued to fail to rein in those who embarked on the campaign, Igbo must go, hashtag Igbo must go. To date, the Tinubu administration is yet to rein those people in. We don't know their faces, we don't know who they are, but the Tinubu administration was quick to circulate the photograph of Amaka Shurer, that she was the one lady behind the threat against the Yoruba and Benin people in Canada. Of course, such a threat was unwarranted, unnecessary, but also we have to also state it that he who goes to equity must go with clean hands. The government of Bola Ahmed Tinubu has not done anything about the ethnic baiting against the Igbos. He didn't do anything to Bayo Onanoga. When Bayo Onanoga warned that 2023 will be the last time that Igbo interfered in the election in Lagos State. In other words, Igbos are also should lose their right to vote for the candidate of their choice in Lagos State governorship election. That was the threat. That was a threat to democracy. Nothing was done to him, and nothing will be done to him under this administration. It's very unlikely. But they were quick to rush to Canada for this woman. While we agree that she ought not to have made such threat, but the government of Nigeria has also failed in its duty at home. Yet it has the audacity to go abroad to tell them what to do about an issue that it failed to address at home. But the issue, the latest development is that Amaka Sonnberger has said that the government of Nigeria lied that she was detained. She said she was not detained. That what happened was that she only was invited by the Canadian Police Authority. He went there and he said she said she presented other videos of the Yoruba making threats against Igbos and the Benin making threats against Igbo. And when they saw it, being fair-minded people, they felt that no, this is not an issue we should address. They allowed her to go, and ended up saying that Igbo should try and Nigeria should try and settle its tribal and inter-ethnic differences by itself. So it now shifted the battle back to Tinubu administration that they should sort out Nigeria's ethnic problem issue, which is a good advice they have given to the Tinubu administration. Because if you go to the social media, there are so many people spreading hate on social media, spreading hatred. But the government has not done anything about them. And most of the targets of the hatred on social media were targeted at the Igbos. The government has not called them to order. Lagos State government that even issued order to the police to arrest those behind Igbo Must Go campaign, a campaign that was aimed at that Igbos should be forced out of Lagos State and the whole of the Southwest. A major threat to the unity and security of Nigeria was dismissed as if it was nothing. And it didn't start recently. It also, you also saw it in the Lagos State election, where Igbos were threatened against coming out to vote, and nothing was done by those who did these threats, which emboldened the people that are now run the campaign of Igbo must go. Now they have quietened down. Very soon they will be pumped up again, and nothing will be done to them. I think what the Canadians, the message they sent to Nigerian government of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, is just, don't be a hypocrite. Settle your matter at home. Don't bring it here to Canada to resolve a matter that you should settle in your backyard. I think that's a powerful message to the government of Nigeria. We can pretend all we like. The truth of the matter is that the Tinubu administration, under Tinubu's administration, ethnic division has widened more than ever before. It will take a long time to mend it. Just like it is going to take a long time to mend the mess that President Muhammad Buhari made of the economy. The ethnic division that has been sowed and widened under Tinubu administration will take a long time to heal. That's my take on the Canadian government's latest response to the issue around Amaka Sonnberger's threat to Yorubas and Benin. I don't know what you think. Whatever is your thoughts, let us have it at the commentary box so that we also know where you stand on this matter. Thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.